service heat tempered sneeze guard glass cover. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 78.25 inches. Left to right, we have a depth of 21.5 inches and a height of 20 inches. Left to right front glass, with each measuring 35.75 inches in length by 17 inches in height. The measurements for the roof glass cover located on the left and right, each one will measure 35.75 inches in length by 15 inches in depth. Measurements for each glass sheet located on the left and right corner, we have 18.5 inches in length by 17.25 inches in height. Thickness for each glass will be 1/4 inch, and the radius for each mount, we have 2 3/4 inches. Each glass cover is held by the mending brace located in each pole. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.